नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल वर्क यात्रा पर, जहां हम फैक्ट्री और ऑटोमोबाइल जॉब के लिए प्रैक्टिकल तैयारी कराते हैं। आज के वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं मारुति सुजुकी एंड ऑटोमोटिव फैक्ट्री वर्कर एग्जाम 25 प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस की शॉर्ट और इंपॉर्टेंट रिवीजन।
Which car model was the first to be produced by Maruti Suzuki in 1983? Maruti Suzuki is a joint venture between the Indian government, initially, and which Japanese company? Where is the oldest and one of the largest manufacturing facilities of Maruti Suzuki located? Which of these Maruti Suzuki models is sold through their premium dealership channel called NEXA? Which Maruti Suzuki car is famous for its tall boy design? Which major Maruti Suzuki manufacturing plant is located in Gujarat? What does the PDI stage stand for before a car is shipped? Which Japanese philosophy is used in factories to ensure continuous improvement? In automotive manufacturing, what does 5S primarily aim to achieve? In a factory environment, what does PPE stand for? Lean manufacturing focuses on reducing which of the following? What is the primary function of a radiator in a car engine? Which safety feature prevents wheels from locking up during hard braking? What is the role of a differential in a car? Which gas is primarily used in airbags to inflate them rapidly? What does CCE stand for in relation to a car's engine? In a four-stroke engine, which stroke follows the compression stroke? Which of the following is a key component of the chassis? Which pedal is used to change gears in a manual transmission car? The chassis number is also known as the VIN. What does VIN stand for? What does a turbocharger do to an engine? Which instrument shows the engine speed in RPM? What is the function of the alternator? Which car is Maruti Suzuki's flagship mid-size SUV launched recently? Which pedal is used to change gears in a manual transmission car?